Okay, let's move on. Let's understand the construct of the market. By the way, M&M is down about 3.6%. Let's see what Tata Motors is up to, because definitely there will be competition in the segment if Tesla were to make entry into Indian EV space. These stocks are lower, as is the case with the entire OMC pack. BPCL is now down almost 6%. L&T is down about almost 2%. Some of the other heavyweights like ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, Infosys Axis are also under pressure. But we've definitely lifted off the low point of the day. Kunal, hi afternoon. What's the sense that the market is giving you? Some more pressure in the days to come?
Yeah, some more pressure, but I think just to put it into terminology, the earthquake had already happened a couple of days back. It's the aftershocks which has happened, which is happening because the advanced decline issue is not very bad, like what we saw. I think day before yesterday, when the sell-off was almost at 1:7, 1:8, and more in favor of declines. It's still 1:1 broadly for the advanced decline. You see many of the stocks which have made their short-term bottoms have seen a bounce back. This time around, the only difference in terms of the technical scenario for the indices is that the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, they have come back to their previous swing lows, but the mid caps and small caps are still higher than the previous swing lows, which was made 2 days, 3 days back for the indices. So that could be a sign of some sort of divergence on the positive side coming back into the indices.
Interesting. In fact, small cap, mid cap indices have flattened out. Today it's the reverse of what happened. The small caps are coming back faster, large caps are still lagging. Nooresh, what's your take on the market? What are the stocks you're watching out for today? In fact, Reliance and HDFC are not participating on the Nifty. Is that the reason why it's lagging?
So what we are seeing is, say we hit a new low during the day. We went almost 200 points down in the Nifty, but we did not see a low for the day on the Nifty small cap or the mid cap indices. That tells you the market is digesting yesterday's and day before yesterday's correction on the mid cap and the small cap indices, and slow recovery is there. On the index, we continue to see one day up, one day down for a lot of sectors. So yesterday, IT was doing well. Today, it is the major contributor on the downside. Reliance was holding on the last week. In the last 2-3 sessions, Reliance has taken a knock. So we are not seeing any strong follow-up in the heavyweights. We just see false starts. So HDFC Bank came above 1460 levels, but has not seen a follow-up price action strongly. We had Axis Bank come closer to 1100, 1120, and again falter. So we are seeing a lot of false starts in heavyweights, but the trend as of now, we are in a consolidation. 21,600, 800 on the downside should be a support for the Nifty, and 46,000 roughly for the Bank Nifty. It's only when we start breaking that when trend changes. So for now, stock specific moves continue. Copper as a commodity has breakout, which generally indicates a bounce back in all the metal names. So that looks interesting. So Hindustan Copper, Tata Steel could be bounce backs from here on.